Abdullah Kneader, 12th December 2023, checking video of the latest model of 3.5 kg AE390. This is the shipping label for the Daraz order. It has a plastic blade, a metal blade, warranty booklet, measuring flask. The machine is okay from all the sides, as you can see in the video. Brand new carton packed machine we have taken out. You can see the bottom also. There are no damages. And now we'll start up checking for you. The machine has started. As you can see, its noise level is quite low. This is the latest model and its noise level is lesser than the regular model. Genuine Abdullah Atta Machine. We are Orion Engineering Company. This is its original carton. The machine has automatically stopped as the timer has reached the off position, as you can see. Now we'll pack it for the RAS. Okay.